Bullish Bitcoin money, BCH, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1,146.14 and $2,164.94 by 2030. Market examiners accept BCH could reach $891.44 by 2025. Bearish Bitcoin money market cost expectation for 2023 is $203.76. Bitcoin money, BCH, presentation. One of the most famous forks of the first Bitcoin network is Bitcoin money. The thought for the cryptographic money was motivated by despondency with where Bitcoin was taking, which was away from Satoshi Nakamoto's unique arrangement for it to work as a computerized cash. The production of Bitcoin money, what works more like a cash than a store of significant worth, lighted a savage question between defenders of Bitcoin and other people who felt that Bitcoin should have been ready to exchange all the more rapidly and efficiently. Close to this time, a supposed nationwide conflict broke out, with allies of Bitcoin money dismissing Bitcoin and pronouncing it to presently not be the genuine Bitcoin. Then, at that point, in August 2017, Bitcoin money was made because of a fork. It had a promising start, however, has encountered strife from that point forward. Despite the fact that Bitcoin money is intended to be a more helpful cash, fans of digital currencies habitually put resources into it. The coin's cost has the common market unpredictability, however many individuals accept its future will be more brilliant and will offer more prominent benefit in the next long stretches of time. What is Bitcoin money, BCH? Despite the fact that it isn't the most seasoned, Bitcoin money is one of the greatest and most popular forks of the digital currency. Not long before Bitcoin accomplished its past all-time high of $20,000 toward the finish of 2017, Bitcoin money was created. It extended the size of the blocks in the chain to empower more exchanges to rapidly be handled more. It's fascinating to take note of that the digital currency split into Bitcoin money ABC and Bitcoin money SV in November 2018. Satoshi vision. This shows a readiness to keep Bitcoin and digital forms of money overall advancing, but BCH's forking was principally roused by Bitcoin's 1 MB block size limitation. Since blocks couldn't oblige the expansion in size for exchanges stacked up and sat tight for affirmation. Accordingly, Bitcoin money proposed making blocks between 8 MB and 32 MB in size, considering the handling of additional exchanges per block. In a Bitcoin block, there are ordinarily somewhere in the range of 1,000 and 1,500 exchanges. 25,000 exchanges for every block were recorded on the Bitcoin money network during a pressure test in September 2018. For most of its presence, Bitcoin money clutched the main 10 monetary standards by market cap, but it as of late lost that position. The cost of the cash doesn't actually come near that of Bitcoin, even at its pinnacle, only a couple of days after Bitcoin outperformed $20,000, it simply figured out how to reach $3,643. Bitcoin money is at present worth $254.70 United States dollars. BCH has moved 0.39% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $216,455,072. Bitcoin money is at present positioned 19 among all digital currencies, with a market capitalization of $4,844,102,168, United States dollars. Using the overall strength file, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal union disparity, MACD, from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Bitcoin money, BCH, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous Bitcoin money, BCH, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Bitcoin money, BCH, value forecast 2023. Bitcoin money, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year, BCH. The BCH cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $382.05. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $356.58 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. BCH is supposed to have a base worth of $305.64. Bitcoin money, BCH, value expectation 2024 out of 2024, Bitcoin money BCH cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of BCH will before long outperform $636.75. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the BCH's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, BCH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $509.40 and a typical exchanging cost of $560.34. Bitcoin Money, BCH, Value Expectation 2025, assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $891.44 and BCH might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. BCH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $815.03 and a low of $764.09 in 2025. Bitcoin Money, BCH, Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Bitcoin Money effectively supports market feeling among digital currency fans, the BCH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, BCH will be green in 2026. The BCH is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $1,146.14, with a base cost of $1,018.79 and a typical cost of $1,069.73. Bitcoin Money, BCH, Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the BCH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1,324.43 by 2027, with a base cost of $1,273.49 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, BCH has a most extreme value worth of $1,400.84. Bitcoin Money, BCH, Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1,579.13. On the off chance that BCH figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $1,655.54. Neglecting to assemble the help BCH needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $1,528.19. Bitcoin Money, BCH, Value Forecast 2029. While BCH is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $1,782.89 and a yearly cost close above $1,910.